How to change legend size with matplotlib.pyplot. Simple question here. I'm trying to get the size of my legend using matplotlib.pyplot to be smaller, i.e., the text to be smaller. The code I'm using goes something like this.
You can set an individual font size for the legend by adjusting the prop keyword. This takes a dictionary of keywords corresponding to matplotlib.font_manager.font properties. See the documentation for legend. Keyword arguments. It is also possible, as of version 1.2.1, to use the keyword font size.
Using import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Method 1. Specify the font size when calling legend repetitive. With this method you can set the font size for each legend at creation, allowing you to have multiple legends with different font sizes. However, you will have to type everything manually each time you create a legend. Note: at Matthias 711 listed the available named font sizes in his answer. Method 2. Specify the font size in params convenient. With this method you set the default legend font size, and all legends will automatically use that unless you specify otherwise using method 1. This means you can set your legend font size at the beginning of your code, and not worry about setting it for each individual legend. If you use a named size, for example medium, then the legend text will scale with the global font.size in params. To change font.size use plt.rc font.size equals medium.
This should do. Then do the plot afterwards. There are a ton of other params, they can also be set in the matplotlib file. Also presumably you can change it passing a matplotlib.font_manager.font properties instance, but this I don't know how to do. See Jan's answer.
There are also a few named font sizes, apart from the size and points. Usage.